Thank you.
Hello, Judge. How are you? No,
Morning, Judge.
no, that's the bad news I'm trying to tell
Okay.
you.
Are we going to postpone it or what are we going to do now? We can have a seat.
Judge, this is Olu.
Yes, yes.
He's the
Well,
attorney.
I feel like now him, I don't know why, because I've seen him somewhere.
Yeah.
No, I've appeared before you,
yeah,
Judge.
I want to say, yeah, we've seen
Oh.
each other.
He can speak for himself, but he was after our meeting yesterday. And thanks very much for seeing me here.
Yes, so you didn't have to
So
waste your time.
I didn't have to be embarrassed in court.
Yeah.
But we then called the people at Treasury. And their response, but Kulu can tell you on that. Their response was, but we are not parties to the case. Second, we are not parties to the agreement itself. Their advice from their lawyers is that they will only file an affidavit if there's a dispute about the agreement itself. It was 50.
Yeah, no, I think it's on the
Yeah. So they said no. They will only file an affidavit if there's a dispute about the agreement.
I think you
So-
rather postpone it because I have my issues. Maybe someone else can give you an order. Because you see, in that agreement, which I will go fetch now, it says that the consultation took place, and it even refers to the Treasury as being the whatever of the Public Finance Management Act. That is the problem that I have mention is made of them. So I think just postpone it till next week, and maybe someone else will.
No. You've got the file, so
Yeah, I'm done.
we would rather you dealt with
Done
it
now.
because you've already seen it. We're
I'm
not.
done.
Or-
Now let's
or-
go get
or
it
if-
quickly, because you see, you refer to
Can I-
Treasury, it's your problem.
No. I have to.
Here, this is the file.
Oh, this is the file, yeah. This is the file. Yeah, because if they are ordered. So, yeah, this is the file.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Judge. So if they are saying if you order them to do so, they will file. They don't have a problem. They will file. But if there is an order from the court, right now there is no order. They are hearing it from me.
Yeah, you referred to, according to it was escalated to National Treasury.
Yes, I was explaining the process.
Yes.
I was just explaining the process of what exactly transpired in the matter. As you can see, the matter obviously has got a long history.
Yes, I see.
The firm has never been paid
You've done work and you haven't been paid.
and I brought in more than 150 million rand for this country. I've never been paid for whatever. I had to interrogate and elevate this matter to try and say, can I just be paid my fees when number of issues about how we appointed.
I'm looking for your agreement here. Yeah, I flagged it. I flagged it here. You see? There are two references to National Treasury. Sorry. Subsequent, the meeting took place and in addition to representative, and that an agreement was reached. That's why I flagged.
Is that yeah? This is supported, ma'am, by the letter from the Director General.
But that's not good enough because it's too different. And then you
He's
also
supporting
say,
it, confirming
you
the
blame now for
agreement.
your own problem because you said somewhere that the National Treasury is the what of the Public Finance Management Act. You put it in
Well, that is their status. That is their status.
No. I mean, Judge, you've got to do what you feel you're comfortable with what you. But we thought that an agreement reflects an
That is
agreement.
Bye-bye. I'm not going to see you again. Oh, okay. Yeah. You must be what?
Yeah, I'm from the
Yes.
5th of May.
Yes.
And then I'm in Random School.
Yeah, we'll stay in touch. All right.
Let me know.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
You see, Judge, the Treasury doesn't owe Ulu any money.
No, they don't.
The department that owes Ulu money is the Department of Forestry. That's the only department he can enter in a settlement agreement with.
I understand that.
The problem is that the department had concerns about.
But why
that
did you
aspect.
say in 4.9 that subsequent to the letter the meeting took place and then an agreement was reached in the following terms and include the National Treasury here?
No. No. Okay, this was consultation which was done by National Treasury to find out what exactly is going on to establish the matter.
Okay, and this is
then-
the problem that I have because it's called a settlement agreement.
It is a settlement
and then
agreement.
you say National Treasury was involved. Now I know the importance of National Treasury.
Yes.
They need to endorse certain transactions.
They
20
do-
million is a lot of money.
Yes,
They've done
this
the
one-
work, and they should not have a problem to confirm this.
Well, they're saying they are not party to the proceedings, ma'am. They are not party to the proceeding. This agreement, we had to put up the background of who has been involved instead of just.
Find the line that I was looking for now. Sorry, I'm looking down now. There's somewhere two areas where you refer to the National Treasury that alerted me now.
So the Treasury essentially was so 4.6 says BX accordingly escalated the matter to National Treasury.
Yes.
When it got the National Treasury involved,
They
then
consulted.
They then look at the transaction. They say, well, did he actually do the work? It turns out they actually did. So he's saying we consulted to National Treasury and all the people that.
Yeah, it was escalated to National Treasury.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the accounting office became involved.
Yes.
And now, were you here yesterday? No.
No, I was
No,
not.
no,
Yeah,
I
I am concerned because, and that's why I say I think you must rather let this thing roll over till next week and maybe someone else can assist you because I am concerned the person who signed this agreement.
Yes.
There's a lot of bad. There's a case pending here currently.
Where is that case?
It's in Kazi.
Yes.
There's a case here.
Where is it?
I didn't go look for it. But there's a lot of publicity around.
But it's
Sipho
that's irrelevant.
And then this person, Mr. Mlengana, it's public knowledge.
Yeah.
No, but that's the
Well, on the facts.
That he is busy disciplining people
No,
after
no.
he's agreed to
but
this agreement. He has agreed to this.
But
right?
DJP, you've read these things in the
Yes.
newspapers.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
because it's out in the...
No,
You're
but
right.
how can you decide this case
And
on
then
the
they
basis
say,
of what you hear in the newspapers?
Must I go draw? Let me go draw the file then.
Yes, that's fine.
Let me go draw the file. Do you have a case number or don't you? I can go
Which
draw
which
the
which
file.
case number? Which case? The case number where
It says-
Dundana
it
is.
says there's litigation here at the Western Cape High Court.
When
Okay,
when
to my
Dundana
knowledge.
is suing the
I don't
DG.
know. It's a mess. I don't know exactly what
No,
it
but-
is.
yeah.
I
but
didn't
that's
go
the
look,
thing.
and it doesn't relate to
No,
this issue. It doesn't relate to this.
No,
it
it
doesn't
is-
relate to this issue at all.
No,
I'm
absolutely
not saying
not.
there's a connection. What I'm saying is the person is being disciplined.
No,
It's
but
the
where is
signatory-
that?
That is what that other case is about.
No,
Yeah.
no, but remember,
The signatory of this agreement
Yes.
is being disciplined for some reason, and now I am just overcautious and saying
DJP,
I haven't.
I am I
So
understanding
that
you
case, are you talking about the case which was handled by Judge
was here.
Judge
I just-
Owen
someone told me
Rogers,
something
or
was heard here,
or
but
someone
I didn't
told
go,
you?
yeah, I didn't hear. I didn't personally speak to the judge. I just heard through the
In the
gate-
newspapers?
Yeah,
In the grapevine.
in the grapevine and.
but Judge, you can't decide a matter on the basis of that.
No.
It's okay if you're not
what did
comfortable with
Rogers
it.
Hear? Which matter did Rogers hear?
It
There's a
was
matter
WW
here. I can go draw the file if you want
Yes,
me to.
I think it's better that way, Judge, so that
Yeah.
we know exactly where you stand about this. The matter is now before you. The file has been properly prepared. Affidavit. I depose on an affidavit. I'm an officer of this court. I depose on an affidavit. I put up all the facts as they're supposed to put them before
But then
the
you
judge.
mustn't put the Treasury's name in your agreement.
The reason why I put treasure was to give the
Historical
background.
facts.
It's historical facts. It's important. And in fact, the letter which is giving instruction has Treasury as was present, the representative of Treasury. And in whatever that I do in this matter, I make it sure that
So
I
this
involve
budget
them.
of 20 million, are you saying Treasury doesn't have to approve it at
No,
all?
no, they don't. They don't have to approve it. They don't have to approve
So
it.
this letter, Judge, if you look at it, it's a letter from the
Director General.
Director
Yes,
General.
yeah.
He essentially says it. He says, in this meeting, it has been
Yes,
agreed
and
that
she
payment
must
of
process
invoices.
the invoice.
And then she instructs Ndutana, because Ndutana is the head of the
Of the fisheries.
of the fisheries of the marine living resources fund.
And
I
she
think
is
I'm
not
going
on
to draw
suspension.
I'll go and draw that file, and then I will see whether there are any.
No, they are not. We've not misled you at all.
I didn't draw the file. All I know is the names. I know there's some disciplinary. There's some conflict happening there, and Parker's one of
Oh
them.
my goodness! You know,
That accounting officer's one of them. Parker's retired now, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not going to get involved.
No, it's
No,
fine,
we are
it's
not
fine.
getting-
Treasury
No, it's okay.
saying
You see,
because then
you see,
you
Judge.
must remove Treasury.
See, Judge.
Remove Treasury from here. You see.
If I remove Treasury and go back to get another agreement which does not involve Treasury,
Yeah.
in the agreement they should not be involved, because I can't do it without the letter of instruction.
But also just the narration. I mean, you're just narrating who was
I'll go and
there
get the
what-
file.
No,
I'll
that's
let me
fine.
get the file, and then I can satisfy myself.
So there are two problems that you have with the thing.
There's,
You have heard that there are problems.
there's a case
with-
here,
with-
yeah.
There's a
There's
case.
a
No,
case
but I
here.
showed you yesterday. It's me.
But I didn't see the case.
I showed you yesterday that whatever you've heard in the newspapers or wherever, it's not
But there's a
relevant
case
for
here.
this.
The-
So
the-
let me go fetch the case.
Okay.
There's a
Maybe,
case
maybe
here.
No, let's do that. Let's switch.
I was just thinking. Okay, yeah, maybe let's go.
Yeah, I'll get Elmarie to. Do you have a case number? Don't you? I'll go and get the case.
Yeah.
And then we'll
Case
see.
number. This is what I'm trying
And
to
then-
think.
so
Because
there,
there was
so there are
Rogers,
two cases, and one
there was
one other one is
Rogers,
Dolamo.
and then the
Yeah.
other one is Dolamo.
Yeah. So
Oh,
those
so
two
the
cases.
Lama also known.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Rogers, Owen
Okay.
Rogers.
Let
And
me.
yesterday I
Give
did.
me a chance till Tuesday.
Okay, so yesterday I did tell you that with Lutano there was a case, but that case is settled,
Okay.
and that and you said it's fine. The second
Yes.
problem you had was the treasury.
That's mentioned in here,
Yeah, so
as
about
if
the-
they authorized. Yeah,
Yes.
they were part of a meeting.
No,
No, they were.
No, they were part of the meeting. That's what the DG is saying.
So
I'm just looking at
maybe
the
hold
settlement.
hold on, because if you have these concerns, then of course we need a clean.
Let me get those matters. Come
Yeah.
back to me
Yeah.
on Tuesday. Let's stay in touch.
Okay.
And then I'll let you know my view.
Okay.
Yes. Or no.
All right.
And
Can I?
Because-
just in case you decide that
Yes.
you want
Yeah,
to make
do
an
that.
order, then
Yeah.
then
Let
you've
me
got a draft
let me
order.
Yeah.
get the full picture.
And then Judge, on Tuesday, if you are of the firm view that there should be an affidavit by Treasury,
Treasury. Could you
you
order
can
that?
order that.
Do you want me to do that?
If
Yes,
in
because
fact
that's-
if you order that now, Judge, that will
No,
make
let
your
me do it
life
on
easy.
Tuesday. Let me have the two files.
Have a look at
Sit
it.
down.
Okay, have a look at it. But
Yeah.
if you want to be satisfied, if they have a court order to that effect, they will
Then they will
provide.
have to comply.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they will-
no,
But,
they
but
said
they
that.
were in the meeting, you saying?
Yes.
No, definitely.
You see, it will cover you.
I agree 100%.
You.
100%
Because
agree with you, Judge.
then-
If I have
because
the
you must cover yourself. If they were in the meeting and they said it's fine.
yes,
You
yes,
understand?
Judge.
You
As
must
I'm saying,
protect yourself.
as I'm saying, Judge, if this is from you,
Yes.
an order,
Yes, then maybe I
They'll
should do
you-
that.
Yeah,
yes,
they will do it.
they will
That's what
do.
they
They
said.
said to me they will do it because they were
Ah.
part of the meeting. They will. They don't
They
have
say
a
when
problem.
The problem is they are not party.
They're not-
party.
yes.
They are not party.
They can't
to the
just
agreement
jump.
itself.
Okay, well let's decide on Tuesday, and obviously you are happy to have the file moved to someone else. I'm
No,
not
no,
going to-
sure.
I'm not going to cling to it because my
Yeah,
my
but-
job is done.
no,
But
no.
let's decide on Tuesday. Let me get that two files. See, there's no connection.
Because
Yes.
if you raise these questions, we don't want to take another judge to explain
Exactly.
from the beginning. We'd rather, if you dismiss it, that's okay. If you say you're not filing,
And you can
we're
dismiss
fine.
it and say,
assist
on the
you
basis
with an
of-
order to say
With the
because
order
that's all I
directly.
want.
Judge,
Yeah.
that's if you can just
Yeah.
even now
Yeah.
or Tuesday you just say
Let-
here's an order.
Yes.
I'm not going to grant unless I have.
Yes,
from
they
them.
must confirm they were
They
there
will.
and it was.
I will go
authorized.
myself to
Stop.
Pretoria.
2 lines.
Yeah, 2 lines.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Tuesday
That should
we
help.
will talk.
Okay.
Give me a
Okay.
chance.
Thank
That
you.
won't be early
But you
Tuesday
can-
because
you
we
can
must
talk
not
to
go
the
and
other
draw the
judges.
files now this afternoon.
No, that's
you know?
fine. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Easter weekend. Yes, you too. Enjoy it.